2508 18th Avenue South.
Yep.
We're sitting in the city main in the middle of the street at 101 feet. I'm going to zero out our footage as we pull back to get a proper count of the 6-inch pipe. So there we're at 0. So right here we're in 6-inch diameter clay, and then almost immediately, about 10 feet up, turns into concrete. Coming up here, there's a couple seams with some root intrusion. A little bit of breaking there. No, just the offset. Back into concrete now. That's where the heaviest root intrusion has been. Alright, right here we're looking at 31 feet of 6-inch. I'm going to zero it out again to get a proper count of all of our 4-inch. Alright, so now we're coming back in 4-inch diameter concrete. In this section of pipe you can see the erosion line going down the middle of the sides and the exposed aggregate on the bottom. This is noticed all the way throughout the pipe. You really see the aggregate right there in that shot. Not too much time. Run into a little bit of a flat spot, not much, barely any water sitting in there, but just a little bit of accumulation. You kind of see the sand traveling down the middle there, that dark coloration in the bottom in the water. That's not sand there. And this is probably the worst little section of belly. So we have 43 feet of 4-inch concrete pipe. We are now sitting inside of our cast iron pipe. It's the pipe that comes out inside the foundation. So it does look like there's an old Y there that goes back, but I'm willing to bet that that's capped and abandoned. So if we were to line, we would line, since we have control when we're pulling it, we would literally line to right here. So even if there was something back there, it would still not be capped off. The only way to get in there and discover if that is capped or not would be to dig another hole there.
Oh, okay.
So we could just do it to there, or we could just run it all the way back, since we know that all your plumbing really is inside. We could run it back all the way up into the PVC, which would eliminate, because this cast is rather rusty. Alright, and coming back, what did I say, 43 feet? 43 feet, yeah, 43. 43 and 31. And then we're going to pop back into black Ave S here in a second. Right there. And this black Ave S runs throughout the inside of the house. All through the crawl space. Alright, there's our access point. I'm going to end the recording there.